21 Honda. And we have, what do we got here? An HRV. And we're taking the door panel apart. Love this thing. Love this thing. So, with this guy, pop this door out. See? And pop out in our hands. This little cable. Clip. Pop it out. This guy. Also, down in here. See? Pull it out. Technically, it came out. Didn't have to all the way. But either way, I'll put it in. Again. Clip. Clip. Pops out. Revealing. One screw. And 2 screws. And third one in the second arm. Pull this guy off just for safe measures. And let's pull. See if this guy comes off. I always like going in the corner as always. So let's do it. Ta-da! All clips. Some stayed as usual. Right there. Let's unplug this guy. Get this guy out of the way. And that's gonna be the rest of the journey. I'm getting this door panel off. So let's get this guy up. Come on. Squeeze and pull. Squeeze and pull. And there you have it. She's over there. Let's get the rest of these guys out so we can prepare to put it right back on. So while we have the door panel off, because I think you're gonna have to do that anyway, because that wire, you ain't gonna get to it. You're probably gonna break in the door panel. So just take the door panel off like I just showed you to get to that mirror. You got 3 10 mils. One right behind there. Already took them off with my handy dandy screw gun. And don't lose them. And I like these things. Squeeze this and the mirror will just fall into your hand. Should I do it? Can't do it with one arm. Told you that's how you do it. So yes, unplug this. That's what's holding me in. And you see this little clip right there. Watch it. Snap it back in because I'm going to put it back because I'm not taking it off. I'm showing you how to take it off. So there you go. So clip back in. Done. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.